Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you ready to listen?
Yes, ma'am.
So before we proceed, we have a prayer first by video presentation. Please stand, class.
Please bow your heads and let us pray. Dear Jesus, please show me how to spend this day sharing your love in every way. Help me to be kind to everyone, to play and love, and have lots of fun, shining your light and living your grace, sharing your joy with a smile on your face. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. And for this day, be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Amen. So good afternoon. Please be seated, class. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, good afternoon again, class. I am your teacher today's afternoon. My name is Christine A. Servito. Are you okay, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Nagkaon na ba mo?
Yes, ma'am.
Naligo?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Feel na ko, kayo diyan tayo mo. Wala mo may focus akong class. So akong bukawan ng inyong mga atensyon para maging active mo sa akong class karon. So, please stand again, class. Kaya mag-energizer sa ta para magalaw-galaw inyong mga body para maging active. So, kung kinsa man ko dili mag-participate sa akong energizer, kaya akong tawagon. So, wait, class. Let's start.
It's exciting, can't wait to
karon. So before we start, natay classroom rules para mag-guide lang kung sa kung buhapon sa atong klase o para po hindi siya magayagaw. Please read, everyone.
Classroom rules. Listen attentively. Engage directly. Always follow instructions. Raise your hand before you speak. Nurture a positive attitude.
Okay, dapat daw mag-engage mo sa atong klase karon. Kung dapat, ano mo ka na mag-follow instruction para dili mo mali. O dapat po, ako mag-answer, dapat i-raise ang inyong hand para dili magayagaw. So, karon, atong tanawon kung naaboy nasabtan sa atong previous discussion. Kung naaboy na learn. So, karon ako kay ready na 6 na question. So, manawag ko student kung sa yung answer. Kung naman siya yung na-learn. First is, what was the last topic we discussed? Miss?
Our last topic is all about gravity and friction.
Very good! Tagalog, three clap, kaya na pa, hindi pa siya. Next is, what is friction? Ninyan.
So, for me, friction is when an object has nashay ka ng gamay na ka ng boundaries ba na pag imong ibangga siya name mulag name pugong sumo na siya ka ng friction.
Okay, thank you. Tagalog, three clap, kaya na kayo idea. Next is, where can we see friction in our daily life? Miss Cordero.
We can see friction in many daily activities such as walking, riding, and brakes, stopping.
Okay, very good. Tagalog, three claps. Next is, what is gravity? Miss Malvas?
Gravity is a force that pulls objects toward each other, pull everything toward the ground.
Okay, Tagalog, three claps. Again, clap. Next is, what force pulls object toward the earth? Mr. Lino.
Gravity is the force that pulls object towards the earth.
Okay, thank you, Tagalog, three claps. Next is, what's that a moving object stop after some time? Mr. Salvador.
Moving objects stops because of friction. Friction slows it down until it eventually stops.
So, gusto ko rin yung another activity ka, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Oo, ready na? Hindi ba mo ma-shout? I'm ready, ma'am. Sige na, ready na?
I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. So, nakuha makita ang object, and then yung i-identify sa mga object, unsay na-produce, o unsay gamit ani. So, first is flashlight. First is
Flashlight.
so, unsay na-produce ani?
Light po, ma'am.
Okay, class, follow my classroom rules.
Light, ma'am.
Okay. Another answer? Okay, wala. So, this is a flashlight. Flashlight used to find object or find our way in the dark. Next is, okay, class, ino ko lang kung saan na siya kay Wadili. Wala pa ni Ana sa TV, ano ka na ako kay wala pa na ang gamit. So, saan na siya, class?
Blue.
Unsay na-produce anak niya?
Sound.
Unsay ginagamit? Mahasa na siya ginagamit?
Sa music.
Okay. Flute is produce sound and used as musical instrument. Next is, what is this?
A lighter.
Unsay na-produce niya?
Heat.
Saan na
Kalayo.
siya ginagamit?
Burning and
Panghaling. Okay. Magamit na naman sa panghaling like place o anak-anak yung part
Malayo.
Okay, very good. Stove is produce heat, energy, and also cooking food. Nagamit ko na siya para makaluto o food. Kaya ito, nagaproduce siya heat. So based on ipakita ang mga object or picture, inside nakataw na kung sa ito, topic karon daw na price na required inside nakataw na. Okay, miss?
Sound, heat, and light energy.
Okay, dapat three class. Okay. Magaling. Ang atong topic karon is all about this. Read everyone.
Sound, heat, and light energy.
Okay. Magaling. Next, please rate our learning objectives today afternoon.
Learning objectives. Classify objects based on the type of energy they produce. Heat, light, or sound, and what are their uses. Identify and describe examples of heat, light, and sound energy in every life.
Okay.
Explain the importance of light, heat, and sound energy in daily life.
Okay, you want another activity class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today I will divide the class into three groups. This is the group 1, group 2, and group 3. So, sa group 1, ang na-assign na topics is all about sound. So, yung material is kaning mineral water na ay water. Please get. Next, ang group 2 is heat, energy. Yung material is towel. Please get your material. Next is sa group 3 is light, energy is not observe mo sa sun. Now, mag-start na mo observe sa class. Tagaan na mo 15 seconds na mag-observe. Your time start now. Sige na?
Yes, ma'am.
So, group 1, ready na ba ang taga-group?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready na ba ang taga-group na mag-present sila activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with group 1. Yes,
Tingog lang, ma'am.
Tingog dulu lang.
So, sa group 1 is, among topic is sound and energy. Then, you read sa nakang description. The learner need to shake the bottle and let the learner listen carefully, lightly, cover their ears and listen again. So, ang first is, what did you hear when you shake the bottle? So, of course, pag iuyog na ito ang tubig, so makanwag yun ta ang sound. And then, the second one is, how did the bottle make a sound? Okay? Like, magtaas man, and then, magtaas ang water, then mag-down na po, then maigo siya diri aba sa bottle. So, mag-make siya ang sound.
Okay, very good, group 1. So, this is your prize.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, let's proceed to group 2.
Okay, ma'am, our topic in group 2 is heat energy description. The learners need to rub the towel on a plastic chair, ask them to lightly put their hand and feel it. It's a good question. What caused the rub chair to feel warm? And when na-observe na mo na if you rub the towel faster in a chair, it can produce heat. While if you rub it slower, there is no heat being developed. And number 2 question: what do we use? When do we use heat in our daily life? We use heat in our home when we cook, to cook rice, and that's all, ma'am.
Okay, very good. This is your prize group 2.
Thank you, ma'am.
So next is
So, ang nakuha naman na group na activity sa group 3 is light energy. Tapos ang description is let the learners make observation on the sun. And then, ang first question is what does the sun produces? So, ang sun, pag mato ko rin dili lang makaproduce ka ng haya. So, tapos, pag mawalan ako ma-expose ko dugay, makaproduce mo siya ka ng heat, kaya mo init mo po daw ko ang panit. So, ang second question is, what do you feel when you expose yourself to the sun and why? So, pag ma-expose ko sa sun, makaproduce siya ka na light sa kuha, like makatanaw ko ka ng kuha, dili pares pag kuha, pag gitnit, kaya dili ko makita. Tapos, ang sun food is pag madugay ko dira, is mo ito, makapasok siya sa kuha. Bawat ito lang.
Okay, thank you. This is your prize group 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So, are you ready to listen class to our today's discussion?
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will give to the ihatay na ko ang karon ang floor sa mag-discuss kay Mr. Minyao.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Another answer.
Now, we are done with your activity and you have some prior knowledge of this sound, heat, and light energy. We will proceed in our discussion. But by the way, my name is Jeff Ojispinya, and you can call me Sir Jeff. So, let's proceed in our discussion. So, our topic is sound, heat, light, energy. We already know that. Now, let's know what is sound. So, can everybody read this?
Sound is produced in different ways. The simplest way is when objects hit each other. Clap your hands, drop a book on the table. Marbles and billiards balls produce clicks as they collide. Sound produced this way comes from the kinetic energy lost when moving particles collide.
So, like for example, clapping your hand. Can everybody clap your hand? So, it produces sound. So, like for example, if you can imagine, we have a billiard ball and a second billiard ball. So, when the first billiard ball is moving and it is moving faster than the other one, or the other one was in this place or standing. So, the kinetic energy of the movement of this ball will now collide with the other ball. And what does it produce? Sound. Yes, correct. So, the kinetic movement of the faster ball will now distribute it to the second ball. And that is now they produce sound. So, pag ang kanang bola, kaning duha ka bola, mas paspas ang kanang isa ka bola, tapos nabanggas na itong steady. Ang atong force sa isa ka bola, mag-divide lang ang duha. So, bali, ang atong nag-steady na bola, siya ang makakuha sa pinaka-usog na force or kaning force ng isa. So, mao na siya makaproduce ko ka ng sound. So, next. So, can you read this one?
Sound is produced by making vibrations. When you speak, sing, or hum, your vocal cords vibrate. Sound is also produced by strumming guitar, strings, and creates vibration. Sound cannot travel in an empty space. It needs a medium for transference.
So, sound is produced by making vibration. Like, for example, when you speak or sing or hum, like can you hum and go like, and then touch your neck. So what do you feel?
Vibration.
Yes, and that's sound. So, mo na ka lang na-produce na sound. So, sound is also produced by strumming guitar. Yes, pag ang guitar, ang strings sa guitar, up and down, mag-vibrate, mo na siya mag-create o ka na sound. So, sound when travel in an empty space, it means a medium or transference. Like for example, pag imagine mo na naamo sa outer space, tapos, masyakit mo, na yung makadong sa inyo ha? Wala. Very good. So, for example, ang imong amigo, nasa outer space, tapos ito po nasa outer space, tapos ikaw, masyakit ka sa imong amigo, makadungog kayo ng amigo? Dili. Nga naman, ang sounds daw, dili mag-produce kung wala medium. Sa manang medium, kanang, like for example, pag vibrate, like for example, kaning inyong activity kanina, sounds. Pag inyong shake ang bottle, mag-produce ng sounds. Tapos ang kaning outer layer niya mo vibrate. Tapos ang air molecules niya mo vibrate. Tapos mo na siya ang mag-produce na kanang sounds. Tapos kanang, wala yung mag-produce na sounds kung wala dahil medium kanang air molecules. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
When I say na, you say gets. Na?
Yes.
Na?
Yes.
Very good. So, how is sounds transmitted and ear? So, unsa biday ang kanang sounds pagkuan? Like, for example, ako, ekstorya din ka, nakadungog mo, yun sa biday yung pagdungog. Well, let's find out. So, can you read this?
The force of impact between two bodies and the vibrations of bodies cause the air molecules around them to vibrate. In each of our ears, we have a very sensitive membrane called the eardrum. The vibrating air causes the eardrum to also vibrate. The small bones hammer, anvil, and stirrup then carry the energy to the brain through the auditory nerve.
So, the force of impact between two bodies and the vibration of bodies cause the air molecules around them to vibrate. Like for example, na ay bowling ball dali Nasa kaning bowling ball, kusog tayo ang iyang pagtuyok. Nagtuyok lagi siya daw ng way towards the nagdagdan. Towards isa ka bowling ball na nag-stay lang, stay in place, stay. So, stay lang. Tapos, while ang kaning duha ka bowling ball, nagkulay na daw sila. So, nanatili isa ka bowling ball, so nagkulay na, kulay. So, maka-produce na siya o vibration. O vibrate doon eh. O vibrate doon eh. Yan eh. O vibrate. Vibrate. So, tungod daw na vibration, ang kanan daw, air, molecules ka ng tayo mga air molecules. Kaning gagmay ng mga circle. Kaya daw air molecules mo vibrate. So, ang kaning air molecules mo, ato na siya dala, down, ana. So, mo-vibrate daw ang air molecules. So, mo na siya ang imulungog na sound. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
So, sa inyo daw, dunggan, natin mo'y sensitive na membrane ko eardrum. So, kana daw eardrum, napakita siya ka ng tulog pabuan. So, we have hammer, anvil, and stirrup. So, for example, mo ang inyong eardrum na inyong dalunggan. Mo ang inyong dalunggan. Dalunggan na daw. Magaling yung dalunggan. Sulod na dali magaling yung hair canal. Tapos na dali eardrum. Tapos nabulit yung dali sa kanan ng mga sumoda na yung mga stirrup, hammer o inyong anvil. So, while daw, air molecules mo vibrate towards daw sa inyong muabi siya dali sa inyong air canal air canal towards yung air drum. Tapos yung air drum daw, mo vibrate. Mo vibrate po daw yung air drum ninyo. Vibrate. So, mo vibrate ang air drum. Tapos, iyan na, i-travel dari sa inyo hammer, anvil, o stirrup. So, padung sa inyo auditory nerves. Dari naman ka ng dari auditory nerves. Muna sa inyo madungog karon na sound. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
So, balik ko na to. Pag mo vibrate ang air mo, agi sa inyo air ka na gusto sa inyong dunggan, mo vibrate ko daw, padung na sa air drum, tapos mo vibrate ko daw ang air drum. Tapos, mauna siya, binaprocess na siya dari sa kanang inyo tulo ka, kaning hammer, anvil, and stirrup. And facts. Did you know na ang inyong pinakagamay o sa inyong lawas is nakita sa dalungan? Well, muna ang stirrup. So let's continue our discussion. Now, nakuha ba ang sound?
Yes, sir.
Okay, murag ipangkapoy man mo. Tindog sa datan ninyo, may shake nga ito mga kamot. Very good. Now, let's proceed to our next discussion. Now, we have heat. So, mga heat? Init? Well, can everybody do this?
All matter is made up of tiny particles which are in constant motion. Their constant movement produces energy. The sum of the energies from the moving molecules in an object is its thermal energy. This thermal energy can be transferred to another object. The energy in transit is called heat. When heat is absorbed, it turns into thermal energy.
Okay. So, all matters is made up of tiny particles now. So, sa itong three common types of matters, we have solid, liquid, and gas. Actually, naman may isa, plasma. So, three sa natang parang karon. But, focus sa itong topic, okay? So, kanitong heat daw, ano na siya ng constant timing. Kanitong, kanitong mga, like for example, okay? We have we have a bottle of water. So, kanitong water drink natin siya thermal energy. Ano naman? Well, ang kanilang thermal energy, ang kanilang water daw, constantly moving daw. So, nagkatigo, constant motion ang matters. So, kanilang constant motion. So, kanilang water molecules, nagkatigo. Lihok na, lihok na rin, lihok na, lihok na rin, lihok na. So, muna siya ang tawag na thermal energy. So, ang kabuuan the sum of energy from the moving molecules in an object is its thermal energy. So, ang ang sum ng mga molecules na nagalihok, muna ang thermal energy. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, this thermal energy can be transferred to another object. So, kanitong thermal energy daw, transfer sa another object. Well, so, can you read this?
When you dip a metal spoon in a cup of hot coffee, heat from the water is transferred to the spoon. As the spoon absorbs the heat, its tiny particles vibrate faster and increase their energies.
So, like for example, daw cup of coffee. So, muna cup of coffee. Tapos, kaning cup of coffee, init. Isang din yung drink cup na wala, diba? So, init din na siya. Iced coffee? So, tapos nakalay ka lang o spoon. Sorry for my drawing, okay? So, while ang kanilang cup of coffee, diba, na siya thermal energy. Tapos, thermal energy daw, matransfer daw sa another object. Well, kaning metal spoon, bugnaw ni siya. Tapos pag gusto na dali sa kanang hot coffee, asa man transfer ang kanang heat?
Sa metal.
Yes, sa spoon. Tama. Mag-transfer na siya dali sa spoon. So, pag mag-transfer na siya dali sa spoon, matawag ko na siya o kanang thermal energy. So, can you read this?
Heat, often known as thermal energy, is the energy derived from the movement of small particles within matter.
So, okay.
The energy from the movement of tiny particles will depend on how much heat was absorbed.
Okay. Heat, often known as thermal energy, is the energy derived from the movement of small particles within matters daw. So, ang kanilang heat daw is often known daw siya as thermal energy. So, for example, okay? So, mo siya, di ba, natay cup of coffee. Diba? Tapos, kaning cup of coffee, mas gusto ang iyang thermal energy. Kaya, ang sakit ang thermal energy ko ang kanang mga small particles na ay movement, na siya, ano siya ka na thermal energy. So, ang sum aning plastic bottle is mo na siya ka na thermal energy. Kaya kaning mga matter sa niyo, kaning mga tiny particles is constantly in motion. So, nagaliho permanente, wala nag-uno. So, while a bottle of water is painitan, hindi mo siya, like, for example, pakulo mo takorit. Kasi mabatay mo sa kanang nagkulo-kulo ng takorit. Nagkulo-kulo ng takorit. Then, kung ano mo, pakulo daw mong ininit, na lang, pakulo mong ininit, hindi ka kaya ka daw, kaya mo ni, tubig ka, kasi mabatayan ninyo.
Magbukal.
Magbukal. Yes, magbukal siya, tapos, nakalang smooth, ano siya, gas. Okay. So, kanin daw, while daw, mas taas ang temperature sa kaning water, dili ka sa katong yung painitan, mas taas daw ang iyang thermal energy. Why? Kaya mas paspas ang lihok mas paspas ang motion sa water molecule. Okay. So, mas paspas daw ang lihok niya, batok na gabukal-pal. Nakuha ninyo?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Na?
Yes!
Na?
Yes.
Okay. So, the energy from the movement of tiny particles will depend on how much heat was absorbed. Okay. So, for example, kanin daw, ato na lang ipalagay, ang kanin daw, cup of coffee, rather, is not siya kanang pagpalagay natin na nasa 30 Fahrenheit. So, init siya. So, ang kanyang spoon is cold na, wala pa init, diba? Wala pa ito slow. Pag gusto daw niya daw, ang kanyang daw heat na kanyang 30 Fahrenheit, ma-absorb ko na sa metal na makakos ko na siya ng 30 Fahrenheit ko na siya. So, muhunong na ang absorption kung pareho na sila o kanang heat na na-transfer. Then, for example, na siya 30 Fahrenheit. Tapos, ang kanitong spoon mo, na po yung 30 na kainit. Tapos, ang kanitong water nyo, na po yung 30. So, same na sila o kainit. So, dila lang muna ang pagpasing sa heat energy. Pag same na sila o temperature. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Balik ko na to. For example, cold spoon. Bugnaw daw, wala pa init. Wala pa ibutang sa cup of coffee. Tapos, pag butang na ninyo ang cup of coffee, nato siya, pagpalagay na ito, nato siya 30 Fahrenheit. So, init siya. Tapos, pag butang doon, nagdadali sa kanang spoon, ang kanang spoon, or kanang heat daw, nagikan din sa kanang water, transfer na siya sa katong spoon. Tapos, makuha ko daw niya ang exact temperature ko daw kanang kaning water or kape dali sa kaning cup of coffee. Like for example, pag palagyan ito na siya 30 na Fahrenheit, tapos ang spoon wala siya kanangkuan, wala siya init. Tapos ang heat energy na niya mo saka na siya. Tapos kung unsa may kanang temperature aning kaning cup of coffee, i-absorb na niya sa kanang spoon. So mahimo siya 30. So pag muna lang daw ka ng passing of heat energy, kung sino sila temperature. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Na?
Yes!
Okay, let's continue. So, can you read this everyone?
Higher average energy from the movement of the particles also means a higher temperature. Note that heat flow is determined by temperature.
Yes. Like, for example, sa tuwa, example na niya. So, higher average energy from the movement of the particles also means a higher temperature. So, for example, pag nagpakulo, galing mo ka na ininit, tapos ang inyong tubig is nagkulo-kulo na, means daw na ang kanang water particles po niya, mas kusog ang movement compare sa cold water na slow daw ang movement sa or slow daw ang kanang movement sa molecules. So, note that heat flow is determined by temperature. So, kanina daw heat flow daw, mag-determine daw siya sa kanang temperature. Like for example, pag na, katong sabot ko kanina, na kanin, cup of coffee na siya 30 Fahrenheit na temperature. Tapos, ang kanin yung spoon is 0. Pag gusto daw ng spoon, ng metal spoon, sa kanang cup of coffee, ma-absorb ko daw sa metal spoon ang kanang heat. So, kung sa may temperatura ang cup of coffee ninyo, ma-absorb ko daw, same ko daw ma-absorb sa kanang metal spoon ninyo. So, kung 30 ni, ngayon ko daw 30 ang inyong metal spoon. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so heat always moves from an object of high temperature to an object of lower temperature. So nakuha, di ba? Wala, low temperature daw ang spoon. Tapos high temperature ang cup of coffee. Okay? Tapos, mo-transfer daw na ang ang heat sa kanang spoon. So, mo-transfer lang daw ng heat pa bugnaw ang kanang imong gituslo. Di ba bugnaw na ang spoon?
Yes.
Then pag tuslo ninyo na i-absorb na niya or dito din mo ang kanang heat flow. So heat flow stops once the two objects are of the same temperature. Oh, dahil sa ko, di ba? Same na sila ang temperature. Meaning, mustap na po ang heat flow or absorption sa katong heat sa kaning metal spoon. So nakuha ba?
Yes, sir.
Na?
Yes.
Nawin ka rin ba?
Wala, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's continue. So ito, as you observe, model siya ang molecules of water. While this one is the molecule of water. So, kung saan inyo na-observe?
Mas taas ang water. Mas taas ang molecules ng water.
Okay. Kasi mas taas ang molecules of water. Kasi what do you mean by that?
Taas ang temperature.
Kita mo na spacing mga particles, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kita mo na spacing. So, it means daw, pag cold water, slow movement ang niya, water moves. Like for example, mo na ninyo ang cold water. Yan, nadaw na ninyo ang water moves. So, hinay ra daw na siya o kanakuan movement. Okay? Hinay. Walang hot water daw is mas taas ang niya movement compare sa cold water. So, nakuha ba?
Yes,
sir.
So, the more na init or init ang tubig, the more na kusog ang movement sa molecules o sa molecules. Okay, diba? So So I have a question. Wala, sige. Kali na lang. Ayaw na lang, sasabi ko na lang. So, asa may mas daghan o thermal energy? Ang kaning water bottle or ang sea, ang dagat? Take note, ang thermal energy is ang sum of constant motion of molecules. So kung ani na kagamay ang kanang tubig niya, tapos mo na kanang mga molecules na kanang kuan, mo siya kanang sum of thermal energy. So asa may mas kuan, asa may mas taas ang thermal energy?
Ang dagat, sir.
Yes, nga naman, kay daghan og tubig. So mas daghan ang constant motion of water molecules compare of the water bottle. So nakuha ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's proceed in light. So what is light? So gidaling hayag ko. Okay. Can you read this?
Energy from the sun reaches the earth in the form of light or radiant energy that travels by electromagnetic EM waves. The sun's energy travels as visible light, the only EM wave that can be seen by the naked eye. The sun also gives off other types of invisible EM waves such as ultraviolet rays and infrared rays.
Okay. So energy from the sun reaches the earth in the form of light or radiant energy that travels by electromagnetic or EM waves. So kanina daw sun daw is nagatravel na siya dito sa toang earth as a form of light or radiant energy. Okay, so this is the example of the electromagnetic spectrum. So, as you can see, sa center, mo na siya ang visible light. Kaya makita ninyo para mas i-observe sa inyo ang paligid. Diba? Diba? Visible light. So, we have, napula tayo, infrared radiation. Isa man ang infrared radiation. Tapos, mo na siya kanang dari sa kanang gilid na to, dari ang sa right sa left na to, mo na siya kanang gilid na visible sa tuwang mga mata. Like micro na siya, hindi na kayo makita sa mata. So, ang kaning infrared radiation, mo na siya ng mga remotes, like mga coach siya kanang kuan, like pagbalik mo sa kanang channel, di ba, musiga, tapos mag-transfer ang heat dito sa mga kuan, so mo na siya infrared. Tapos microwaves, mga microwaves. Kanang hit sa microwaves, makita ba ninyo? Wala. Muna siya kanang sigaw siya ng init. Infrared radiation, makita ba ninyo na nailing niya ng light padong sa inyong sa kanang bar? Change ng channel or signal? Wala, diba? Kaya hindi siya makita sa inyong naked eyes. Kanang radio waves, kanang signal sa inyong radio or signal sa inyong TV, makita ba ninyo na naimang wave drop? Wala. So, ang kaning X-ray, gamma rays, well, known na siya sa buha. Okay? Nakuha ba kanang mga visible lights and kanang infrared radiation tapos X-ray?
Yes, sir.
Napalilas, no? Ultraviolet. Ultraviolet. So, kanang ultraviolet, mo na ang kanang hindi na ito makita sa sun, pero nakapay kapit ko sa buha. Like for example, naligo mo dagat. Pagligo niyo ang dagat, di ba? Like, intense kayo ang heat, tapos ang cause ana, mag-sunburn. So, mo na yun ay ultraviolet. Mo na siya mag-cause sa sunburn. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
So, nakita ba niyo na, so, mag-init naman kayo, pero mo mag-sunburn mo ko. So, mo na rin siya ang ultraviolet. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Just bear with me guys. Happy to tamuman. So, can you read this?
Light energy cannot move an object on its own, but it can be converted to another form of energy, like electrical energy, to make objects move and function. A solar radiometer gas bulb and converts it into kinetic energy.
This is also
Wait. So light energy cannot move an object on its own. So kanina light energy is kapag maigo na siya sa inyo, dili mo ma-iyo ka na. Wala ka na siya force. Like, walay makatulak ka na. Walay force ang saan na matulak mo or matulak ang sa object. Bagkos, ang kanal daw light energy, pwede ko daw siya makamove ka na object gamit ang kalangiyang sunlight. True, sa man. Like kanang solar panels, ingana, maka-cause sa inyo mga electric, di ba? Like sa inyo mga motorbike or e-bike, ingana, naman yung mga solar panels. Tapos, let's move on. Nakuha ba? Nag-gets ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is also true for solar-powered cars. The solar panels convert light energy into electricity, which is then used to make motor run. Solar panels are also installed in some homes as an alternative energy provider.
Okay. As nakuha ninyo, like, ang kanilang sun daw, or light energy of sun, mo na solar panels. Tapos, ang kanilang solar panels, bina-absorb na niya ang light sun. Tapos, bina-convert niya into electricity. Na mauna siya ang maka-cause sa kanang mga electro gadgets or kanang mga transportation na to na mulibo o mulagan. Nakuha ba?
Yes, sir.
Na?
yes.
Louder? Na?
Yes.
Louder again? Na?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you read this one?
Light is the only energy that humans can clearly perceive.
So, light is the only energy that humans can receive. So, kanang light na makita niyo sa paligid ninyo, mo na ninyo makita sa inyo naked eyes. So, katong spectrum electro or EM is naiuban nato ng mga light sa sun na hindi nato makita. So, kaninong light na sa sun na makita niyo sa paligid mo na ninyo makita. Okay? So, can you read the second paragraph?
Light can move even in a vacuum or in an empty space. Light from the sun reaches us and passes through the vast empty outer space.
O kanitong light energy daw, agi na siya sa, or pasok na siya sa kanang mga vacuum or walay mga hangin. Kanang mga explain ko siya pag outer space. Ang outer space walay hangin, di ba? So, mura siya, wala siya mga kuwan niya dira. So, ang kanang sun daw, mag-travel daw na siya dira. So, muna siya nang makita dira na ang sun, di sa outer space, tapos ibangga dira sa kanang earth, muna siya nang sa paglibot. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Na?
Yes.
Okay. Malapit na, bear with me. So, read the paragraph again.
Rising to our
Wait. Okay. So, can everybody read this?
Rising warm air molecules collides with the descending cold air molecules. The collision produces sound in the form of loud claps and thunder, accompanied by the release of light energy in the form of lightning.
Okay. Like for example, di ba? Mag-create lang ka-clouds. Pag ang inyong dagat is ka na sobrang kayo tapos mo evaporate siya sa taas. Tapos ang kanila atmosphere din ninyo. Cold ang hangin na. Di ba? Bugnaw. Tapos pag magbangga siya sa katong sa katong init na atong gas, mag-form siya o clouds. Okay. So, the collision produces sound in the form of loud clouds, thunder, accompanied by the release of light energy in the form of lightning. So, like for example, morning ang inyong clouds. Okay, clouds na siya, clouds. Tapos, ang kaning clouds, na crystallize na water na crystallize. Tapos, dari ka ng mga water na mga kuhan. Molecules. Tapos, kanada sila luwa, mag-collision, magbangga-bangga. So, kanada siya daw is mag-create of electric. Muna siya kung makita niyo na kanang kidlat. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Tapos ang kanitong clouds is, there sa taas is positive and then there sa bus is negative. So, while daw nag-produce na siya kanang thunder, ang kanang air molecule sa niya mo vibrate. Tapos mo na imadunggan karon na lightning. So, nakuha ba?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Na?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you read this question?
If sound and light are produced at the same time, why do we see lightning first followed later by thunder?
So why? Nga naman daw. So, if a sound and light are produced at the same time, so na-produce daw ang sound, katong sa pagbangga-bangga sa pag-produce sa itong crystallize na water at sa water bubbles, is makakause na siya o light o sound. So, same naman na sila ganang tayo na dibuhat or nahimo. So, why do we see lightning first followed later by thunder kanang sound like na. So, una daw makita pada ta una o gitla bago ang sound ng mato.
Because sir, light travel fast than sound.
Yes, that's correct. Give them some 5 points. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay. So, ang kaning lights daw is faster siya sa the speed of sound. So, ang kaning light has a speed of 300,000 kilometer per second, while the sound has the 300, I think 346 m per second. Mga ihana, like 300 siya kape. So, dako ay siya uga. So, bantong ra, like mauna yun ang kanang kidlat na makita nato bago ang kulog. Okay? Kaya nga naman, because light is faster than the speed of sound. Okay, nakuha ba?
Yes, sir.
Na?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now that we are done in our discussion, let's proceed to our activity. So this is our activity. So read everyone and then answer it. So number 1.
You are in a classroom and hear the bell ringing. What kind of energy is produced? How does it help students and teachers?
Okay, who will answer it? Raise your hand. Okay, Miss Mawas.
So, I think, sir, kay sound energy na siya, kay namin si Rin, and then, kaya makatawag na siya sa mga students para makabaluming ka na dahil katawag nga niya po, and then makabalo sa may kung saan natatawag.
Okay, very good. Give him 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, number 2.
It is a hot day and you place an ice cube on a plate. What kind of energy causes the ice to melt? Explain why the ice melts.
Okay, raise your hand to answer.
Sir,
Okay.
the possible energy cause the ice melt is the heat energy because heat moves from a body of high temperature to a body of lower temperature. Heat from warm air molecules
Yes.
is transferred to the cold ice cubes. So thereby, the increasing the energy in motion cause the ice cube molecules to spread out and melt, sir.
Okay, very good. So, ang kanina daw, ice cube daw, transfer daw ng heat daw sa sun, this ice cube. So, ang kaning heat energy sa kaning sun, mo transfer sa kaning ice cube na lower temperature. So, mo na siya ma-cause sa kaning ice cube na mo melt. Tingnan dito, ang heat flow mo travel sa cold temperature sa isa ka object. Okay? Na?
Yes.
Louder na?
Yes.
Okay. Let's proceed to our number 3.
You were eating dinner when the lights turned off. What kind of energy do you need, and how does it help you move safely?
So,
For Mr. Light Energy, it can help you see your surroundings.
okay. Very good. Now, let's proceed to our number 4. So, everyone, read the number 4.
Your family uses a metal spoon to stir hot soup. Why does the spoon become hot after some time?
Okay, your family uses a metal spoon to stir hot soup. So, iputaw na niya ang hot soup sa metal spoon. So, nga daw ang metal spoon mo init kalugayan. Nasibihin niya o butaw sa ako hot soup. Ano naman ang metal spoon? Na anong init man? So, because wait, don't answer in chorus. Let's follow our classroom rules. Okay, raise your hand. Okay, Miss Salvador.
Kaya naman sir, kay kanang nag-transfer man ang init nga, di ba lang soap kay init man, so kay sige man yung kayo, so mas na sige lihok ang kanang mga molecules, so sir. And then, mo to nag-transfer ang hot dito sa spoon.
Okay, let's give them 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's proceed to our next. Okay. So this is our part of our activity. So first question is, do sound, heat, and light energy affect our daily lives, and in what way? So ang kanito ano naman yung kaning sound, niya heat, niya light energy, kasi apekto sa tuwang pang adlaw-adlaw na kaning kinabuhi. So in what way? Okay. Raise your hand to answer. Okay. Miss?
So, for me sir, kay mga affect mo siya na itong life, kay like for example, kung balay sound, so paano man ito makadungog, and then pag wala ko yung heat, so paano ito makaluto or like that. And then also kay kung wala ko yung light, so paano ko ito makakita or like for example, kung pag ipo yung natatong mata, so wala ba ito yung makita, no? So manang importante yun ang kanang tulo kay part din na siya sa to ang pag-ano na yun.
Okay. Very good. Give them 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. So number 2, who will answer number 2? So, but first, we will read that question.
If you use light and heat energy wisely, how can it help your family save electricity?
Give us example. So, if you use daw, kung gamitin na rin mo ang light daw o ang heat na wisely, unsa may tabangan sa itong pamilya. Unsa may kanapag makasave ba ang electricity?
Yes, sir.
So, don't answer in chorus. Raise your hand to answer.
Sir ako, sir.
Okay.
Just like what she said, light is very helpful sa tuwa jud, no? Para makita. And then also heat energy. If we use the heat energy, it helps us to save electricity. Like for example, the sun produces heat, and if we have a solar, it can produce electricity. So our family will not will not pay for electric bill. Instead, we are makatipid, no, in our family. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Give them 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. So, let's proceed in our number 3. So, everybody read.
Why should we be careful with loud sounds and hot objects? How does this show care of ourselves and others?
So, why should we be careful with loud sounds? So, anong mabatay kita kung gusto ka ng sounds na produce? Like, kanang party or disco. Nya, pag kanang init na kanang object, like, for example, nagluto mo, nainit ang frying pan, anong mabatay magkaana? So, unsa man, how does this show care for ourselves and others? Okay, Miss Malmas.
First, sir, kaya like, for example, mag-video kaya itong mga silingan niya, kanang matuan sa gabi, so ma-disturb mo dyan ang atong tulog. So, dapat kanang kabalota, kanang mabutang boundaries na. So, kanang ikuha na to sa situation pa, kung kanang ang butang is, kung mo na to is, kanang makakita ba siya na nag-care ka sa mapil sa uban, like that. And then, sa hot object food kay, syempre, alam ka naman kung gunita na to ang cup na init kayo. So, parang, mato, sorry.
Okay, very good. Give them 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. So, like example ni Miss Malvas, pag ngayon mag-video kita, tapos gabihin na kaayo, tapos gusto kayo karaoke, mga cause na siya o noise pollution. Tapos kato siya, disturbance siya sa silingan mo. Tapos, kung gunit ka ng hot coffee, example ni Miss Malvas, mapasok yung mga kamot. So, let's proceed to our part 3 of our activity. So, everybody read.
What is sound energy?
So, what's the meaning of sound energy? Diba? Kantaka na to. So, anyone, raise their hand. What's the meaning of sound energy? Diba ang sound energy kay blah 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 blah. Saman. Okay.
So,
Miss Malvas.
yes, sir. So, ang sound energy is, like, for example, is class.
Okay.
Then, sa object is mabangga sa object, so makamake siya ang sound.
Okay, very good. So, ang sound energy is, for example, example ni Miss Malvas, pag mag-clock ka, makaproduce ko ka ng sound. Tapos, ano produce ng sound? Well, ang air molecules is mo-vibrate. Pag vibrate na natin niya, mo na medium. Diba? Mo-travel din sa ito ang air canal, ikuha sa ito ang air drum, tapos mo na siya ang padumog na ito karon.
Yes.
So, sound can produce vibration. Pag hang daw, let's how do you feel? Or when you touch your neck or your vocal, you can feel vibration. Okay? So that is how sounds produce. Your vocal cords vibrate and it produces sound. Okay? So how about how sound produces? Okay. Anyone?
Just like the first answer, the example, if the way we clap, it produces sound. The way we hum, it produces vibration, and it produces sound like this.
Okay. Very good. Give them 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Tama. So, pag mag-clap ka, makaproduce of sounds. So, like, pag mag-humta, makaproduce of sounds. Kaya mag-writing ka na ito vocal cords. So, let's proceed to our number 3. What is heat energy? Anyone? Heat energy sa ito. Heat energy sa discussion to. Init yung palibot mo sa gagawin sa kanto.
Sir, for me, sir, the heat energy came from the sun, which is produce heat or hot temperature, and it produces heat energy, sir.
Okay, heat energy. So, like for example, ang sun, makakreate siya o heat energy. So, like for example, katong yung activity kanina, rubbing the plastic chair. While nag-rub, magpapas-pas kung anong exist niya ang inyong course, makakreate na siya o heat. Okay. So, let's proceed to our number 4. Everybody read?
Describe how heat energy moves between two objects.
So, describe how heat energy moves between two objects. Like for example, a cup of coffee with your metal spoon. So, given sa man pag-trap sa kanang heat sa cold metal spoon gani, take note na mo-travel ang heat energy kung bugnaw ang object. Take note again, mo-travel ang heat energy kung bugnaw ang object or nasa'y called temperature. Okay, now let's answer this. Describe how heat energy moves between two objects. So, like for example, we have a cup of coffee again, and you have a metal spoon na bugnaw. Now, kami heat flow, like sa mo ni ato ang cup of coffee. And then, mo na ito ang cold spoon. Gusto na natin dali sa hot of coffee na to. Now, ang temperature sa hot coffee, for example, na siya 30, mo travel na siya dito sa atong spoon. Mo na siyang absorb. Tapos, pag-travel na niya sa heat flow, mahimo po na siya o 30, say sa temperature sa cup of coffee. Very good. Kaya, niya mundang mo na ang kanang heat flow or pag-travel sa heat kung same na sila o very good. Same na sila o temperature. So, take note, ang kaning heat mo transfer din sa spoon na cold spoon niya magkasing na sila kanang temperature, matawag na siya o kanang thermal energy. Kuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's proceed to the number 5. So what is light energy? Kung sabi din yung light energy ba? Kom, so may nakita na sa itong palibot. Anyone?
I think, sir,
Okay, small bus.
light energy comes from the sun.
Okay, very good. Light energy comes from the sun. But that is our natural light energy because nowadays we have technologies and then we have some advanced light sources. Like for example, your cell phone,
Laser.
yes, lighter in your activity, and flashlight. Okay. Now, how can light energy be used to move object? So, di ba? Natakot ang galingan ang light energy, dili daw siya makakreate o ng force. Pero binsa man daw na ang light energy makakos o ng movement. Like for example, ito ang ganita, sa ganito.
Okay. So for me, lately the example, light energy, it also produces heat. And if we use like the solar, no, there is being produced like electricity. And electricity can be used to move any objects for them to like to tawag naman like to activate.
Okay, very good. Given the blocks, 1, 2, 3, tama. So, for example, gani, di ba, na ay solar panel. Tapos mo, gani ang imuha, motor. Motor din siya, motor. Motor na siya. Motor. Motor or e-bike. Tapos ang kanang solar panel gani mo, maigo na rin sa imuha sa natural light in your sun. Ang kanang solar panel, gina-convert niya ang light energy to electricity. Na mo na siya ang makakos na ma-activate ang inyong motor or sakyanan or gamit mo rin siya sa suga sa inyong balay. Nakuha?
Yes.
Na?
Yes.
Louder na?
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed to our number 7. So what is solar panel? How does it work? So katugan niya kung na ni Sir Cordero? Let's answer this na lang. So, okay, Miss Malbas.
So sir, what is solar panel? So ang solar panel is nag-pull siya ng energy to sun and then nag-produce po siya of electricity.
Okay, so ang solar panel gani, like mo ni Malbas, gina-absorb niya ang heat sa sun. And then ang solar panels, mao na siya ang gina-produce niya ang heat sa sun into tama electricity. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Na?
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed to our number 8. So, why do you think light is important for life on Earth? Even though we cannot touch it. So, muna importante magbili ng light energy sa tuwa kalimutan. Even though, di mo natin sila magunitan. Di natin sila magunitan. Pero, importante mo kasi itong ginagawisan.
Sir. Oh, sir.
Okay, sir.
Well, nowadays, light is very important, guys, sir, for us to see even the nature itself, the beauty of Earth. Because if we don't have a light, we cannot, we cannot see the beauty of nature, and that's also
Tama! Well, without lights, we cannot see. Dili nyo makita yung loved ones. Dili nyo makita ang kalindot sa mong kayo. Dili nyo makita yung mga crush. Dili nyo makita yung mga uyab. So, mo na ang pinaka-importante sa lights. Makakita ka sa paligid mo. Oh, sa kalibutan mo na. And then, let's proceed to our, quiz time. And then, at this time na to, suppose na kaya ko na lang yung A-post. This will be our quiz time. So, number 1, we have light is, what is light energy? Oh, before that, can you have a 1/4 sheet of paper for our quiz time? Okay? Now, let's proceed to our quiz. And then, now that we are done in our quiz, let's proceed to our assessment. So, identify and understand light, heat, and sound energy in our daily life. So, instruction. Number 1, look around your home or school. Or dala sa inyo BH. So, number 2, find at least 2 examples of each. So, mangita ka dala sa inyong kuan, sa inyong beach or sa inyong balay, so, makita ka ng sound energy, light energy, or heat energy. Tapos, draw each example of face pictures. So, drawing mo. Like for example, lighter. Lighter can produce heat, light also. So, you will draw it in your 1 whole sheet of paper. And then, number 4, write 1 sentence explain how each example uses or produces energy. So, example na ninyo, ay sulat na ninyo ang kanang unsa na object. Tapos, unsay ka nang ma-produce na energy? Like energy ba? Sound energy ba? Or heat energy ba? Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now that we are done, well, let's go home and thank you for listening, everyone. And this will be the end of our discussion. So thank you for listening and mabuhay.
Thank you, sir.